Another day in my life with my college besties.
Announcing the arrival. Hi guys! Okay tayo ba?
Guys, so right now we are here at ERC. We are trying the
Katawa ng ante ah.
and we are here, nakapila na po. Hopefully, this letter will save us. Hershey and I, and together with Joshua, we made this letter. So, thank you guys, Joshua and Hershey.
Tapos na, I am the first in line.
Smile anak, picturean kita. Smile muna kayo dyan mga anak. Di ba dapat nagsasagan yung matoy? Oh, gasolina na ma'am. Bye guys! Punta kami.
Ano yun? Nasaan ka oras dito?
Guys, naghahanap kami ng pwedeng kainan yung budget friendly.
Budget lang namin kasi is 100.
Ito lang. Ano, Georgia?
Kapit ka lang!
Maawa ka sa akin, Georgia.
Maawa ka! Maawa ka ba sa akin? Hindi mo,
Fit check.
We're